First, we're going to download the app. So going to the App Store, typing in Alertus into the search bar, and it's going to be the yellow one. Right, and after it downloads, we're going to open it up. And the first thing that it's going to ask for is an organization code. For MVNU, it is 6868. Hitting next, then we're asked to register our emails to receive the MVNU alerts. So go ahead and enter your MVNU email address. Hit register. All right, and then I'm going to close out of this app and open up my email. All right, and then I'm going to click on the link in the email, which will verify the email address. And I'm going to open up the app again and hit the email verified button. Now it's going to ask you to allow Alertus to access your location while you're using the app. So go ahead and hit allow. And then it's going to ask if you would like notifications, and go ahead and hit allow for that as well. And that's the basic setup.